Hey there, welcome back. Friends, let us quickly check how we can configure a JSP file in our deployment descriptor for specific URL patterns. Now friends, definitely servlets are used basically in order to load JSP file, but out of curiosity, let us also check how we can configure a JSP file for URL patterns. Now first of all, let us create a JSP file. So I will highlight the web content folder, right click and create a JSP file. The name would be hello JSP. We will click on next and we will go with the default JSP template. Let us click on finish. Alright, let us give the title as hello JSP and the text would be again very simple. We will simply type in hello JSP. Alright, so pretty cool, right? Now let us quickly run this JSP file on the web server in order to check the output. Here is the output. Cool. Now finally let us navigate to web.xml file. Let me expand this and firstly let me copy this part. Let me hit enter and paste this once again. And in fact let me do one thing. Let me hit couple of enters. Alright. Now in here we need to make some changes. First of all, the display name would be, for example, hello JSP. Servlet name would be again hello JSP. Now in here we are not making use of servlet class. So in here we would be making use of a yet another tag and this is JSP-file. Alright. And let us close this as well. So it would be like JSP-file. Alright. And the mapping would be, for example, hello JSP pattern. Alright, so this looks good to me. Alright, so now finally let us update the information for JSP file, and the name of the JSP file is hello JSP.jsp. Now friends, we need to provide the path for the JSP file and it would be relative to this web content folder. Now this hello JSP file is directly inside this web content folder. As a result, we will simply add in a slash before the file name. Alright, so now let us also update the servlet name for the mapping, and the servlet name is hello JSP. Let me copy this from here and paste it in here. Alright, now let me save the changes and everything looks good. Alright, now let me close these tabs real quick. And finally, let us try to execute this JSP file on the web server. Here we go. And as soon as we execute this JSP file, take a note of this URL pattern. The URL pattern is based on our deployment descriptor, which is hello JSP pattern. Let me also show you the web.xml file. Here is the pattern, hello JSP pattern. And if I, for example, add in a yet another text in here and try to for example, restart the web server and show you, there would be a change in the URL pattern for the file. It will take some time in order to restart. Here we go. Let me refresh the page. There would be a 404 not found. And if I again try to run this file, the URL pattern will definitely change. Here we go. So this is how we can configure a JSP file in our deployment descriptor. Now definitely this particular scenario is pretty rare, and in our forthcoming videos we will see how to handle JSP file via servlets. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.